Hey there, my name is Peter, and in this video, I'll show you how to get started on our mobile app so you can use Upkeep on your phone. The first step is to download our mobile app on your mobile device. Search for Upkeep in either the Apple App Store for iOS users and the Google Play Store for Android users. For this demonstration, I'll be using an iPhone. Look for the app with the red gear logo and click Download. Once the download is completed, we can now open the app and log in. If you were invited to join an existing team, the admin will send you a team invite email, and you can click into this blue link that will direct you to the password setup page. After this is done, you have successfully created your user. Keep in mind though, the link within the team invite email expires after 48 hours it is sent. From here, open up the app from your home screen and select Login at the bottom and type in your email and password and hit Login. If this is your first time opening the app, you'll be asked if you want to receive push notifications for work order updates. We recommend that you do so that you are always in the loop on the latest work order statuses. Click on Get Notified and select Allow. Awesome, you are now logged into Upkeep. The last section we'll cover is Settings, where you can adjust your profile. From the sidebar menu, click on the Settings tab, click on Edit Profile. In your contact section, fill in your phone number and job title. Below are your email preferences, where you can disable email notifications or adjust your push notification settings. Here's an example of an email notification, and here are how push notifications appear on your phone. Whether you're a requester submitting a request or a technician creating a work order, you have the ability to attach images to further detail the issues at hand. So in this scenario, I'm logged in as a requester creating a work order request. When you select image, you can take a photo or upload an image from your device's camera roll. Click OK to allow Upkeep to use your device's camera. After taking the photo, you can annotate the photo for more clarity. Lastly, if you ever have any how-to questions or technical issues, you can connect with our customer support team by clicking on the Contact Us button from the settings page. Doing so will open up a messenger window and click on New Conversation, which will allow you to live chat with our team. And that's it. Great job. That is the end of our tutorial, and thank you for watching. Until next time.